Hey Google, set a 10-minute timer.
Sure, 10 minutes. And we're starting now.
Hi besties and good afternoon. It's currently 1 p.m. I just made myself a cinnamon roll and a biscuit just because I had some extra from earlier this week. I started cleaning this morning, so that's what I've been doing, that and editing the video from Tuesday. I just have to add the sound into that one. And I'm also watching The Big Bang Theory. So far, I like it. It's pretty interesting. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna clean and also pick up some packages later. I think they're still out for delivery, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox them for you guys. Some of them are Christmas presents, the other ones are for me. I got these really cute tights that have bows on them. I got influenced, okay? I'm not usually that easily influenced. I hope they're really cute. I got that and something else from that brand, and then I got 2 Stanleys as Christmas presents. I was really scared they were not gonna come in time, but thankfully they shipped pretty quick because it said order by the 2nd to get it before the 24th. And today, or I had ordered them the 4th and they shipped like 3 days later, which was really fast. And I really thought, I was like, if they don't come, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And let me think what else I got. Belt buckle that I'm so excited for. I had seen this belt buckle months ago, okay, like almost a year ago, and finally I found it, so I'm very excited. I have to get a belt for it, so it's just like the buckle part that you attach to like belts that you can like swap out, so I'm very excited for that. I think I'm gonna try to wrap up some presents. I want to show you guys what I got my boyfriend for Christmas before I wrap them up, because I'm excited. Like yesterday I was like, do you want to open a present? And he was like, girl, stop. I was like, oh, I know Christmas is in like 2-ish weeks, so I'm just really excited to have him open what I got him. Some of the things he already knows because he had to pick them out back in October, I think. Like there's this Michael Myers primitive collab that he really wanted, and I was like, oh, like I'm gonna buy it for you for Christmas, so I'm just gonna hold on to everything so you can open it until Christmas. Now these like other things are more of a surprise. And I'm also gonna wrap up my dog's little stocking stuffers, and I still have to get him some stuff. I went shopping on Monday. I went to TJ Maxx, but I feel like they didn't really have a lot of things. I did pick up a couple of other things that I do want to show you guys. First, like I'm gonna wait until I get everything to like show you guys what I'm gifting this said person. And I also have to shop for my Secret Santa. I have not done that. I have 2 of them and nothing, crickets. So I'm gonna try to go to the store this weekend. I also really want to watch the Hunger Games movie. I've not seen it yet, and I know Wonka also comes out this month, which I'm very excited for because it's Timothée Chalamet. These bangs are getting on my nerves, okay guys? Like, yes, they were cute for a second, but now you see this, and more because I wear glasses, they just like, I don't know, every time I style them they go over my glasses and I hate it. Sometimes I'm like, I wish I did not have to wear glasses. Like I was looking into LASIK and I was just like, I don't know about that. Like just thinking about someone, I know it's like a 10 or like 20-minute procedure, but having someone cut like a little thin part of my eye, like, and opening it up, I just can't. So we're kind of just stuck with glasses forever. Hi guys, we are at Target. I'm with my sister, and guys, we stumbled upon the toys, the kid toys, and my sister has like classroom pets, so we might get this little dog. It's so cute, but look how cute the little doll stuff is. We might get this little like dog kit. Oh, not the dog ball. That one's cute though. I like this little birthday party set. It's so cute.
I don't know about this. What is cute?
I like this one. This is so cute. We just found this little vet set. It's so cute. Oh, they have another one.
Yeah, but they're not in boxes. I'm like, do they spoil like this?
We're just looking for stuff for her class now. But she might get this little, like one of these reversible plushies. And then we have this little dog. Oh my gosh, look how cute. So they can just take it home like that.
Yeah, this one's cute.
I like that one, so I think we might switch them. Look Look at these. This one has a leash.
Yes, that one does too.
Oh, that one does
You see?
too. That one's so cute.
And that black one does too.
Oh my gosh. See, I need this.
Oh, 'cause, like,
Okay, I've never had any of this.
the food, the
Oh my gosh. Look at this little shopping cart. Dude, I want one of these little dolls.
Look
They
at
even
the
have the
phone.
bed. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is that what we just saw? No. No, this one's oh, that one's
This is for a
different.
dog. Is that for
Oh,
a
this is
cat?
for a
Yeah,
cat.
cat.
Oh, this is for a cat.
I don't know. This one's better, no?
I like that one because the little carrying case.
But I like what dog is cute. I kind of like this dog a little bit more.
The
But I feel like the
Dalmatian.
black one's really cute too.
That one's cute.
Like,
We're just gonna look
yeah,
at all the
black
little
and
dolls.
white.
Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. So I'm gonna go to the mall with my mom. We're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. I think we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree, Trader Joe's. Yeah, Trader Joe's and Marshall's. I'm very excited. I have to go get gas. I want to show you guys my outfit. I just got this little cat beanie from Etsy. I got this one and a gray and black one. They're just so cute. And I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm in my sister's room right now. I am just wearing this cute little Adidas thrifted top, these jeans from Abercrombie, and I'm just wearing my peanut Vans, my peanut Christmas Vans. They are so cute. I only wear them during December. And again, my purse is from Urban Outfitters. And I got ready today. Hey besties, happy Tuesday. It's currently like 1 p.m. I hope you guys are having a good day. So I'm gonna go to the store today. I need to go to Staples, Target to do a return and to buy a Barbie. And then I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree to get some gift bags, Trader Joe's, maybe TJ Maxx. And yeah, I'm also gonna wrap up my boyfriend's gifts. I have been lagging on doing this. I said I was gonna do this like 2 weeks ago, and I've just been kind of lazy. So today I'm like, no, you're gonna wrap those presents. I think it's like the 11th or the 12th today, which means Christmas is less than like 2 weeks. I'm so excited. And I got ready. I put on this cute little cat beanie I got from Etsy. And then I'm just wearing this black North Face jacket, some leggings, and I'm wearing my UGG minis, the little platform ones. They're so cute. Yesterday, I ripped off my nails. I don't know if you guys couldn't even see this, but they look so bad. My pinky, I ripped it. Like, that nail made me so mad, so I just like ripped it off. That was the only one that got like super damaged, but I do miss my nails. Now my nails just look ugly, and they're gonna look ugly for the next little bit. So yeah, I cleaned up, I folded the blankets on my couch, and it's kind of cold today, but not like super cold, but I am wearing a long sleeve. I think it's 60 degrees outside, so it's not too cold. Anyways, I'm very excited to go to Target. I've never bought a Barbie before. I've never had a Barbie, but it's not even for me. It's for a student in my sister's class. I had asked her, I was like, hey, I really want to get one of your students something. And she was like, yeah. And I just like had her pick someone that she felt like could use a little Christmas present. So I got this little girl, so I'm very excited to go see what Barbies I have. So I ended up inviting my mom, and she said yes, so I just came to pick her up. She's still getting ready since I did just call her, and I wanted to update you guys on school. So I got straight A's this semester. Yay! I feel so happy and proud of myself. And honestly guys, grades do not matter as long as like you pass a class is like my main thing. I was just, this semester I felt like that. I was like, C's get degrees, okay? But still, I feel so happy that I did get straight A's. I took this web design class, and it had me on edge, okay? If you guys have ever done like HTML and CSS, you know how frustrating it can be sometimes. And I just felt like that the entire semester. I was just like, oh my god, this is not working. Every time I was trying to fix my website, like the margins and the padding, that was a part that had me so frustrated. I am not ready for next semester. I'm like ready but not ready. I'm excited because I want to finish school so bad. At the store, and look how cute these little Snoopy PJs are. They're in a size large and they don't have any more. This is so cute. And then like look at these super cute robes. I have to show you guys. I really want this one. It's Kate Spade, and then they have this one that has little hearts all over it. But if you guys know, I love Snoopy, and they also have like these little Valentine's Day themed ones. So cute. But I really want the first ones I showed you guys. Also, this is my outfit. But we're about to leave now to the other stores. So I'm looking at all the toys instead of a Barbie. My sister said the little girl likes like little dogs, so I got one of these. And I'm gonna get her this little dog house. I'm gonna throw one in the back. It seems to fit in here. So I am back home. I want to show you guys what I got. So like I said, I went to Target and I had told my sister I really wanted to donate a toy for one of her students. She felt like could use a nice little present this year, and originally I was going to get a Barbie, but I had called her and I'm like, hey, I don't really see any that I like. What else does your student like? And then she said they have classroom pets, which are like these little stuffed toy, I think she has like a stuffed toy bird and like a dog and like another little fake pet. So she's like, oh, they like that. So I got the student this cute little small dog. It's the Our Generation little pet, and then with that I got her the little dog house. It's so cute. My dog is going crazy because I keep saying the word dog and he's like, where? But anyways, I got her this as well. It's so cute, and it comes with like the little food toy. You guys can kind of see, and it also comes like with the tiny leash. I think they are going to love it. It is just so cute. That at Target. And I also got one of my Secret Santas. I got them this. It's the iPhone like back charger, and then I got some double-sided Scotch tape. I went to TJ Maxx and I got this for my dad because my mom made me get this for him. It's a little rake back scratcher. The lady at the register was laughing. She's like, oh my god, I need that for my husband because he's always asking me to scratch his back. And I was like, my mom literally made me get this for my dad because she said the same. And then they had some of their little Valentine things out, Valentine's Day things, you know, heart-shaped things. I got this little gift bag. It is so cute. It just little heart lollipops. They had a few of them, so I thought it'd be good to get now. I'm like looking at my dog and he wants everything, so right now my table looks like a mess because it's all like Christmas things that I need to gift wrap. Like I was gonna do that for my boyfriend's presents, but I got home kind of late. We also went to Chick-fil-A and I still have to heat that up. And then I picked this up from Kohl's. It's this cute little Mickey Mouse blanket. It's a present for somebody. And I want to show you this because it's so cute. And it's really like warm and fuzzy, so I like this. But like I said, this is another thing I have to gift wrap. And I'm like telling myself every day, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. And then I never end up doing it. And then we had gone to the mall and me and my mom were walking around and I saw these PJs. So growing up, my family did not celebrate Christmas or anything, but my mom would always try to get us like something during like, you know, this time of year when we had school off. So I had seen these cute little PJs and they have little dogs on them, because if I say it, my dog's gonna be like, where? But it's this really cute pink set and it reminds me of the stuff that like Rory and Lorelai would wear in Gilmore Girls. Like they're really cute PJ sets. So it's the top and bottom. And I told my mom, like, oh, that's so cute, I really like it. And then she's like, do you want it? And I was like, yeah. And she's like, okay, that'll be like your little present. And that's all I got, I'm pretty sure, because the rest was stuff that my mom got. So we went shopping for a couple of other things. I wanted to go to the dollar store and Trader Joe's, but honestly, I got so tired, and now that it turns dark so fast, I'm over it. I'm like, I want to go home. And my eyes are kind of hurting too, so yeah. So I think tomorrow I'm going to try to gift wrap everything and show you guys then. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, besties. It's the next day and it is 4:12. Okay, today was a pretty lazy day, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna finally wrap presents. Like last night I showed you guys a couple. Now I'm gonna show you guys again the little dog house. I got this from my boyfriend from Urban Outfitters. It is this 8-ball basketball. I thought it was so cool. And then these are some presents for my dog. Some of them are from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target. And then I have some in his stocking as well. His stocking is right here and I want to wrap, look, they're so cute. I want to wrap these up. And then I just have some Snoopy gift wrapping for him just because it's a lot thinner than this like really thick black that I'm using. So my other presents are already wrapped for my boyfriend. I have like 4 of them. He knows what some of these are, besides I think like 2 of them, and then like these he doesn't know. I also got him this really cool secondhand M&M jacket. What it looks like, it is so cute. I have a pink one that I got secondhand, and then I saw this one and it still has the tags, and I think he's going to love it. So yeah, I have this, and then the other thing I got him is this Pandora charm. We got Pandora bracelets when we went to Disney in October, so I just got him this Monsters Inc. Boo in the door. You guys probably cannot see it because it's so tiny. He got me the same charm for Christmas and he said he really wanted it, so I got it for him as well. And then just wrapping this up for somebody else. I have like one other thing in here. Oh, I got him these little boxers. They're Snoopy and they're from Urban Outfitters. They're so cute. And I think that's, besides some like candy I put in here, I still have to grab a couple more other things for his stocking, but yeah, that's what I have in here to wrap up. I'm gonna see if I can try to record myself wrapping, and then we'll see. I think I'm gonna do this one first though.